The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Joe Davies County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dubuque Regional Airport to Van Buren, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Galena, Savannah, Lena, Stockton, East Dubuque, Warren, Hanover, Pearl City, Elizabeth, Cedarville, Woodbine, Scales Mound, Apple River, Winslow, Menominee, Council Hill, Nora, Shyville, Maspach, and Buena Vista. This also includes Apple River Canyon State Park, Lake Lackawanna State Recreation Area, and Mississippi Palisades State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. This is no